on the Stripe dashboard, click on the Settings button at the top right of the screen. Then on the Product Settings, click on the Payments option. From the Payment Settings, tap on this Payment Methods option. On this page, you may scroll down and search for Bank Transfer option. And then at the Bank Transfer, hover your mouse over it and click on the Enable button beside it. Then tap on Continue button to go and proceed. Then you are good to go. This is one of my invoices. When I open it, bank transfer is already a part of my Stripe payment method. Just keep in mind, sometimes it takes times for Stripe to include the new payment method. For this one, it even took me hours until it appeared. It wasn't until the 5th hour that I finally saw it. While also, there is a region lock for some payment methods. If you still have any questions, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.